Let's fill out the Arkansas Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling or buying a vehicle in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. Both the seller and the buyer will need to put their signatures on the document, so make sure everyone is present, or can sign, before the transfer is complete. Next up, the odometer. You'll need to include an odometer disclosure statement with your paperwork. This simply means you're officially recording the mileage on the vehicle at the time of the sale, which protects both parties. Now, if there's a lien on the vehicle, meaning someone like a bank or lender has a financial interest in it, you'll need an official release of lien before the sale can move forward. This document shows that any outstanding loan or claim on the vehicle has been cleared. Make sure you gather all of these pieces together before completing your transaction. The signed bill of sale, the odometer disclosure statement, and the lien release if it applies to your situation. Taking the time to get these details right will help make your vehicle transfer smooth and straightforward. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.